Good day to you. This is teacher Leland, Alejandro, and we're going to discuss today triangle inequality. Now, the triangle inequality states that for any triangle, any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side, and this must be true for all possible combinations. Any two sides must be greater than the third. Okay, we're going to solve problems about this in the other screen. So let us see the problem set. All right, so it will be over here. Okay, here's the worksheet, Triangle Inequality Theorem, lecture examples. We're going to see how many simple examples we're going to solve here. We have about 24, okay, 24. All right, so this is more on practice. All right, let us try to see each number using the presentation view. Okay, here's the first one. Okay, state if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. Before we answer, let me show you a little concept about the theorem. Okay, by using the annotation here, we can show it on screen. Okay. All right, so we can have a little reduction in the size there. And then here's the triangle inequality theorem. Okay. And all right, for any triangle, okay. The theorem states that any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Okay. There. Triangle inequality theorem. The theorem states that any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is something like this. All right. If we have the figure, say ABC, okay. All right. So for example, the sides are given, okay, A, B, C, okay. For example, the sides are given A, B, C, then the following must be true, okay. Okay, A plus B must be greater than C, okay. A plus C must be greater than B. Also, B plus C must be greater than A. It's like this, okay? And this must be all true before a triangle is stated to be a valid triangle, okay? A close figure. Otherwise, it won't be a close figure, okay? So A plus B must be greater than C. A plus C must be greater than B. B plus C must be greater than A. So this is the way we're going to see, okay, the answers. All right. Okay, so this will have to be followed for all the remaining questions. All right, so let's have the first number. All right, here's the first number. State if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. Now, in solving problems like this, we will only have to check, okay, from the given. Say, for example, the sides are 12, 8, and 7, then we can check using this way. So, for example, solution, say, let A be equal to 12, okay? and we have something like B, let's say that is the 8, and we will take the C equals 7 there. All right, let's see that A plus B greater than C. All right, will that be true? All right, we have there 12 plus 8. Will that be greater than 7? 12 plus 8 greater than 7. That will be 20 greater than 7. That looks like true. Okay. All right. How about A plus C? A plus C greater than B. All right. So we're going to have now 12 plus 7. Okay. 12 plus 7. Will that be greater than 8? All right. That is 19. Okay. Greater than 8. Of course, that's true. There. Now for the third, we have is B plus C greater than 8. All right, that'll be 12 plus 7. All right, this time we're going to have 8 plus 7. Okay, so we will have 8 plus 7. Will that be greater than 12? All right, that is 15 greater 12. That's true also. Okay, therefore our triangle is valid. Yes. Okay, the answer is yes. Okay. Okay, that's it. All right, that's how to solve each of this. Okay, now you're in a multiple choice question, so the answer here must be yes. All right, and so we can verify that. All right, there. Okay, you can see the asterisk there in the word yes. You can see it here. All right, that means it's correct. All right, your selected answer is true. Okay, it's yes. All right, so we will have to proceed to the next. Okay, this is a simple, very simple. All right, you only need to do a little calculation. So we remove the asterisk, proceed to number 2. Okay, state if the three numbers can be the measure of the sides of a triangle. All right, you have the solution. For the solution, this should now be like this. Okay, so let A be equal to 10. Let B be equal to no, make that 9. Let's use the proper order. Let that be 9, and then B is our 10, and then our C is our 8. There. All right. Using the proper assignments. All right. Let's check A. All right. A plus B. Will that be greater than C? All right. That's A plus B greater than C. That'll be 9 plus 10 greater 8. 9 plus 10 greater 8. Then ask yourself, true or false? All right, that's 19 versus 8. That's true. Okay, next. All right, let's go to the next one. Let's say we have A plus C. Will that be greater than B? All right, 9 and 8. 9 plus 8, will that be greater than 10? That's 17 greater 10. Okay, that's true. Okay, next. All right, we're now using is B plus C greater A? That is 10 plus 8. Will that be greater than our 9? Okay, that's 18 greater 9. That's true. That's it. Our answer must be, should be yes. Okay. All right, so we're going to choose yes. Okay. All right, so our answer is yes. And let's see and find out if, there, you see the asterisk? All right, you can see the asterisk there. All right, so that means the answer is yes. There. Okay, this is very simple. Okay. All right, so that will be it until we continue to the next 8 numbers, or yeah, how many numbers with these questions. All right, let's check. Let's proceed to number 3. All right, let's continue with number 3. All right, here's the next. State if the 3 numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. All right, in our solution, we will proceed that way. Let A be equal to 2, okay? B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 8, okay? All right, here comes the tests. Is A plus B greater C? Okay, that's the first one. So that will be 2 plus 5 is 2 plus 5 greater 8. All right, that looks like, is 7 greater than 8? That looks like false. Okay, now one false makes our answer false. That means no. Okay, it's not a valid triangle. Okay, all right, so we will settle for the answer no. Okay, that must be equal to no. Okay, so that's our answer. It's no. Let's check. There, the asterisk is there. Okay, you can see it blinking. All right, there. Okay, so that means the answer is no. All right, and you're correct there. Okay, you can see it there. All right, okay, so that's it. Now let's proceed to the next number. Let's continue our problem set. All right, let's have the number 4. Okay, here comes number 4. State if the 3 numbers can be measured the sides of a triangle. Okay, so we have for our solution, we let A be equal to 16. We let B is equal to 8, and we let C equal to 7. All right, and then find out using the following tests. Okay, A plus B greater C. Okay, is 16 plus 8 greater than 7? Obviously, that's true. Okay, next, A plus C is A plus C greater than B. All right, that'll be 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7 greater than 8. All right, that'll be 23 versus 8. That's true. Okay. How about B plus C? Is B plus C greater than A? Okay, is 8 plus 7, is 8 plus 7 greater than 16? That's 15 greater than 16. That's false. Will that be 15 greater than 16? That's false. Okay, so our answer is no. Okay, so our answer, that should be no. Okay, so we will choose no for our answer, and let's verify. Yes. Okay, yes, it's no. Yes. All right, so there. All right, so you can see the asterisk. That means our answer is correct. Okay, with the word no. Okay, let's continue with the next. All right, this will now be number 5. Let's consider number 5. Okay, so here's number 5. State if the 3 numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle using triangle inequality theorem. The theorem states that any 2 sides of a triangle must be greater than the third. Any 2 sides, okay, any 2 sides when added must be greater than the third. Okay, and it should be true for all possible combinations. All right, and so we are going to use that theorem. Okay, just remember the theorem. And so we let A, that should be equal to 5. Then we have B, that should be equal to 9, and then we have C, that's equal to 6. Okay, all right, let's use the tests. Okay, is A plus B greater C? All right, we are going to use 5 plus 9 greater 6. Is 5 plus 9 greater than 6? That's true. 14 is greater than 6. There. All right, next. Is A plus C greater than B? All right, we have 5 plus 6. Is 5 plus 6 greater than 9? Is 5 plus 6 greater than 9? All right, we're going to find out. That's 11 versus 9. I think my phone is ringing. Oh, it went off. All right, let's continue. 5 plus 6 greater than 9. All right, that's 11 greater than 9. That's true, okay? So this is true. All right, let's have the third test. Is B plus C greater than A? All right, where's our B and where's our C? That will be 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, will that be greater than 5? Okay, that's 15. Okay, 15 is greater than 5, so that should be true. Okay, all right, and they're all true. Okay, all possible combinations is true. That means it's a valid triangle. So our answer is there. Okay, all right, so we're going to choose the yes. Okay, let's verify from the computer. Yes, all right, the asterisk is there. You can see the asterisk, it's there. Okay, and the answer is yes. All right, let's continue. Continue with number 6. Let's have number 6. All right, here's number 6. State if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. All right, we have 10, 18, and 9. Okay, so for our solution, all right, we let A be equal to 10. Okay, B is equal to 18, and C equal to 9. All right, and we're going to do the following tests. Is A plus B, okay, is A plus B greater C? All right, 10, 18 greater 9. 10 plus 18 greater 9. Okay, that's 28 versus 9. That's true. Okay, how about A plus C? Is A plus C greater than B? Okay, where is that? 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 greater than 18. That's also true. 19 is greater than 18, so that is also true. All right, for the last one, we have B plus C. Is B plus C greater than A? We have 18 plus 9. Is 18 plus 9 greater than 10? That's true also. That's 27 greater than 10. That's true. Okay, so we all have all possible tests, all true. That means it's a valid triangle. So the answer equals yes. All right. And so we're going to verify that. There. Okay, you can see the asterisk. All right. That means the answer is yes. All right. That's the way to check if a triangle, if a given 3 sets of numbers be possible sides of a triangle. All right. So that goes to our number 6. Let's continue. Let's have the next one. This will be for number 7. Here's number 7. State if the 3 numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. All right, let's continue with what we're doing. Solution. All right, we let A, we assign 6, B equals 8, C equals 7. All right, and do the following tests. Is A plus B greater C? Okay, let's find out. That's 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, will that be greater than 7? Of course, that's 14 greater than 7. Okay, that's true. Next, is A plus C? Is A plus C greater than B? Okay, that will be 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, will that be greater than 8? That is 13 greater 8. Of course, that's true. All right. How about the third test? Using sides B and C. Is B plus C greater than A? That would be 8 plus 7. Will that be greater than 6? Of course, that's true. That's 15 is greater than 6. And again, our answer must be a valid triangle. Okay, answer is yes. There. Okay, so let's find out from the computer. There. Okay, so you can see the asterisk. Okay, so you can see from the asterisk. Okay, you can see from the asterisk there. Okay, I make it blink there. Okay, that means that's the answer. Number 8 now. All right, we'll finish the worksheet and we will have the next type of questions. Let's do number 8 now. All right, here's the next. State if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. All right, we have for our solution, we have the following. We let A be equal to 2 units, B is equal to 8 units, and we have for side C, that's 10 units. All right, and then do the following tests. Let's consider sides A and B added together and check if it's greater than the side C. All right, that'd be 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8, will that be greater than 10? Okay, that looks like false. Okay, 2 plus 8 is not greater. They are equal. Okay, so that means it's false. Okay, and one false makes our answer no. Okay, so that is not a valid triangle. If you try to draw this triangle, it will be just a line. Okay, and I can show you something from it. All right, for example, if you want to draw this, it's 2 plus 8 equals 10. It's like this. 2, and then you add 8, okay? And how will you close the triangle? It will just be another 10 going back to the starting position, and it will not form a closed figure. It will form just a line segment, okay? It will not be a triangle. All right, so we are not going to consider this figure, okay? All right, so it must be greater, 2 plus 8 must be greater than the third side, so that we can at least have a triangle that looks like this. At least we can have a triangle that looks like this. Like that, and then there, like that, okay? But if you have two numbers equal to the third, then you will have something like this one. There. That will be your triangle. If the two sides be equal to the third side, it will just be a straight line segment. Okay? All right. So, but if you have two numbers greater, it will somehow form a triangle. Okay? All right. So the test should always be all true for all possible combinations. All right. So the answer here is false. Okay? And that is equivalent to the no. Okay, so our answer here is no. Okay, all right, let us write our answer first. Okay, so there. Okay, and so we can verify that from the computer. There you can see the asterisk marked and word no there. Okay, all right, so we continue with number 9. Let's continue with question number 9. Okay. All right, here's number 9. State if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. All right, we will solve it just the way we did the other numbers. We let A be equal to 8, let B equal to 2, and let C be equal to 7. All right, and then start the testing. A plus B, will that be greater than C? We have 8 plus 2, is that greater than 7? That's 10 greater 7, that's true. How about the next? Is A plus C greater than B? That'll be 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, will that be greater than 2? Yeah, that's 15 is greater than 2, so that's another true. And then for the third test, we will have, is B plus C greater than side A? All right, we now have 2 plus 7, will that be greater than 8? That's 9 greater 8. That's also true. Okay, so our answer is yes, they are all true. All possible combinations are satisfied, and so answer must be yes. Okay, all right, so we will choose from our multiple choice, must be yes, there. Okay, you can see the answer provided by the computer. And let's continue with the next number. All right, let's continue with the next. Next number is 10. Okay. State if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. Okay, so let's do this quickly. We let A equal to 8, let B is equal to 5, and let C be equal to 10. All right, and we're going to do the following tests. A plus B, A plus B, will that be greater than C? Okay, we have something like 8 plus 5, will that be greater than 10? Okay, that looks true. 13 is greater than 10. Okay, so this is true. All right, next. Let's have the A plus C. Will that be greater than B? Okay, that is 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10. Will that be greater than 5? That's 18 greater 5. That's true. All right, and then we continue with the third and final test. B plus C, will that be greater than A? Will that be greater than A? We have 5 plus 10. Will that be greater than 8? That's 15 greater than 8. Okay, that's true. And so our answer must be yes. Okay, so this will be our answer. There. Okay, so that's it. We will choose the yes over here. And we can verify that. Of course, it's true. Okay, so there. All right. Okay, so we're all correct. All right. Will there be another question like this for number 11? Let's verify. Number 11. Okay, here's number 11. State if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. Let's do our solution. Okay, we let A, side A is equal to 19, side B is equal to 9, and of course side C is equal to 10. All right, let's test the numbers. A plus B greater C. Let's find out. 19 plus 9, 19 plus 9. Will that be greater than 10? Of course, that's 28. Okay, all right. 28 is greater than 10, so that's true. Next, all right, let's have the next one. How about A plus C? Will that be greater than B? A plus C is 19 plus 10, so 19 plus 10, will that be greater than 9? Obviously, that's that's 29 greater than 9. That's true. Okay, and then for the last and final test, is side B plus side C, will that be greater than side A? Okay, we have 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10. Will that be greater than 19? All right, we have a false there. In the third test, it's a false. Okay, that means it's not a triangle. Okay, so answer will be, that should be no. Okay, all right, we can check and verify our answer. Our answer is no. There. Okay, all right. So computer's answer is over here. Okay, Okay, so we continue with the next. Let's have the next one. Okay, here's number 12. State if the three numbers can be the measures of the sides of a triangle. All right, let's solve the last one. I think this is the last one for this type of questions. Okay, so we have let A be equal to 16 and let B is equal to 6 and 9 be equal, that C is equal to 9. There, okay. And then do the following tests. A plus B greater C. Okay, that is 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6, will that be greater than 9? Yes, so that is true. Okay, that's 22 greater 9. Yes. All right, how about A plus C, will that be greater than B? And that will be 16 and 9. Okay, 16 plus 9, will that be greater than 6? 16 and 9 greater than 6. That's 25 greater 6. That's true. All right, let's have the third and final test. Is B plus C greater A? We have 6 plus 9. Okay, 6 plus 9, will that be greater than 16? That looks false. Okay. All right, 16 plus 9 is only 15. Okay, it cannot be greater than 16. It's not equal either. All right. Okay, so 16 plus 9, 6 plus 9 is only 15. So that's a false. So our answer is no. There. Okay. And let's see the answer. Yes, it's no. All right. It's a no here. There. Okay. All right. So let's continue with the next. Let's have our number 13. Okay, here's number 13. I think my phone is ringing. Let me just see it for a while. Hello? Hello? Oh, looks like no one's there. Okay, let's continue. All right, let's have our number 13. It's a different type of question for number 13. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Okay, two sides of a triangle are given here. Okay, find the range of possible measures for the third side. Okay, all right, so let me shrink the question so that it will be all visible on screen. Okay, how about doing it this way? There. All right, so two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Okay, that's the question. All right, so how do you measure the range? Okay, all right, let us do this using a figure. Okay, using a figure. So for example, let me cite an example here. So let's say we have something like, okay, let one side A be equal to say 7. Okay, and a second side equal to say 4. Okay, all right, what should be the range for the third side C? What should be the range? Okay, let us try using drawings. Say for example, this is side A. Okay, this is side A and this is side B there. Okay, so that we have this side here be the longer. Okay, this is the 7. Okay, and the other one is the shorter, which is 4. Okay, like that. Okay, if you try to swing the shorter, okay, if you try to swing the shorter, all right, then you can have something like this. This is the 7, okay, and the 4 will be going over there, okay, like that. Okay, so this is our 7. Okay, this is our 7, and the one over here, okay, the one over here is the 4, like that. Okay, notice you have something here, which is more likely the difference there. Okay, that approximates about 3. Okay, that approximates about 3. Okay, all right. Like that. Okay, that approximates 3, very close to 3. But in order for you to have a triangle, a real triangle, not a segment, so that they will not form a line segment, the 3, all right, the number 3 cannot be used. It must be something greater than 3. Okay, it must be greater than 3. Otherwise, if it's exactly 3, it will just be a line segment. Okay, it will just be a line segment. All right. Now, how about the other condition? All right. How about the other condition? Say this is the 7. Okay, this is the side which has a length of 7. Okay, and then here comes the side 4. Okay, this is the side 4. All right, and okay, here's the side 4. If we swing the side 4 so that it is over there, okay, all right, so here's the 4 there. And so the closing side that we can use approximates 11. Okay, the closing side that we can use approximates 11. Okay, the total of 7 and 4. Okay, that's the upper limit. Okay, there, it approximates 11, but it cannot be 11. Okay, if it's exactly 11, again we will have a line segment. Okay, so this time we will have something less than 11. Okay, it must be less than 11. So here's our technique now. Okay, here's our technique. The difference 3 of 7 and 4, that's 7 minus 4. The difference 3 is the lower limit of the range. Okay, so that we can use the 3. Okay, we can use the 3 as our lower limit. Now the side which are we're looking for the third side, it must be between 3 and 11. Okay, so that means if our third side is called x, then x must be greater than 3. Now, using the third and last drawing there, the 11 is our approximate side, of which we cannot have 11. It must be less than 11. So x must be at the same time less than 11 there. Okay, so all you need to do is, okay, get the difference, that will be the lower limit, and get the sum of the given two sides, that will be the upper limit. So the answer for this type of questions, okay, must be sum and difference. Okay, the difference will be the 3 and the sum will be the 11. So our answer here must be 3. Okay, the third side must be greater than 3 but less than 11. Okay, so this is our answer. Now, going to number 13 here in front of us, we have the numbers 43 and 35. Okay, 43 and 35. If you're going to have the difference is 8. That's 43 minus 35. So we will have to use the difference, which is 8. Okay, there. We will use 8, and then our third side, which will be using the variable x, okay, over here. All right. It must be greater than 8, okay? And we can use something like this, okay? So x is greater than 8, or 8 is supposed to be less than x, right? Okay, it's there. So x must be higher than 8. Now, the sum of 43 and 35, that's 78. Okay, the sum is 78. Now, x must be less than that. Okay, there. And this must be the answer. There. All right, so we will have to choose this from the choices if it's there. Okay, all right. It looks like we're going to select letter D. Okay, there. So this is our answer. And let us see the computer's answer. All right. There. Okay, you can see the asterisk. Okay, you can see the asterisk there. All right, so the computer's answer, it's this. There. Okay, how about a formula for this? How about the formula? For any given two sides, okay, what should be the range of the third side for the triangle? The formula goes like this. Okay, we have difference, okay, difference of the two sides given, all right, the given two sides, all right, and then your third side variable, say x or c, okay, and then the upper limit must be the sum, okay, and this is the formula, okay, to get the range, okay, of possible measures for the third side for any given two sides. Okay, all right, so let's answer the next numbers, and this will be very, very easy. Okay, all right, so let's continue with number 14. Okay, so let's do it. Here's number 14. Okay, the question is over here. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. All right, we have 48 and 31. Now let's use our formula. Okay, we have difference, and then x, and then sum. Okay, there. All right, let's have the difference. That looks like 17. Okay, that looks like 17. 48 minus 1 is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1. All right, so we have 17. How about the sum? That's 79. Okay, there. This is our answer. This is the range. Okay. All right, so 17 and 79. So our answer is C. Okay. All right, let's check. There. Okay. That's how to determine the possible range for the third side. All right, let's do now number 15. Let's do number 15. Okay, over here. All right, two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Okay, so we will simplify our solution. Okay, we have difference, sum. All right, just like that. And the difference here is about, how much is that? 12. Okay, all right, 12. Okay, so we have 12. And how about the sum? That's 68. Okay, 28 plus 40, that's 68. There. So this is the answer. Okay, this must be our answer, the possible range for the third side. 12 to 68 is D. Okay, so we shall choose D. Okay, let's check with the computer. There. Okay, all right, so this is how to do it. If you encounter multiple choice questions like this, then this is how to do it. All right, let's continue with the next. Let's have number 16. Number 16 is here. All right. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Okay. All right. So again, our solution would be, there must be a way to do it. We have the formula difference, then we have x, and this is now sum. All right. So let's have the difference. The difference 45 minus 36, that's 9. Okay. So that's 9. For the third side x, and we have something like 81. Okay, the sum of 36 and 45, that's 81. 36 plus 45. Okay, so this is 81, and this is our answer. All right, so we have 9 and 81, that's C. All right, that's C. Okay, 9 and that's 81, that's C. All right, you can see it over here, and let's check and verify there. All right, so that's it, and we have the answer correct. Number 17, that's answer number 17. Okay, how about number 17? Okay, here's number 17 for our solution. Okay, we have our formula. To find the range of the third side, we have a difference, and we have the sum. Okay, like that. So the difference is about, how much is that? 17, all right? So we have 17, the lower limit. And our upper limit must be, how much is that? 81. Okay, 81. And we can find this in our choices. Okay, that looks like C. Okay, that looks like C. So our answer is C. Check. There. All right. So computer's answer is C. There. All right. Now let's continue with number 18. Let's continue with number 18. Here's number 18. All right. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. All right. The two numbers are 37 and 42. Okay. So we only need to get the upper and lower limit. So we have for our solution, we have difference over here, our variable, and then the sum is over there. All right. Okay. Difference is, how much is that? 7? Oh, no. That must be about 5. Okay. The difference is 5. All right. So 5, and then we have x, upper limit, that looks like 79. Okay. There. And this is our answer. We must find this in the choices. All right. And that looks like D. Okay. All right. D. Is it D? Yes. All right. There. Okay. So next is 19. All right. Let's continue with number 19. Number 19. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Okay, 45 and 34. Our solution, we have a solution for this. Okay, we have the difference, and then we have this. Okay, this is the way to do it. Get the difference. This must be about 11. Okay. All right. 11 is the difference. And we have the variable over there. How about the sum? The sum is 79. Okay. And this is our answer. All right. Okay. I hope you're getting the way to do it. All right. So let me show you the way we did this one. it's 45. It's like this, 45 minus 34, like that. And then less than, and then we have the x, and then like that, okay? All right, and the other part there will be 45 plus 34, like that, okay? I hope you'll be able to follow this one, okay? So this is 11. About 45 plus 34, that's 79, okay? There. That's why this is the answer. There. Okay. All right, and we shall find this in the choices. That looks like A. All right, and we can check that. Is it A? Yes. Okay. All right. So over here. Okay. So that's the answer. All right. Let's continue with number 20. We have the next 5 numbers. Number 20. All right. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. We have the two sides given, 27 and 45. So let us solve it. This is our solution. We have difference. This is our formula. And we have the sum. Okay, very simple. So to show the solution, it will be 45 minus 27. Okay, we have 45 minus 27. That will be the lower limit for the side x, and this will be the sum. Okay, and this will be 27 plus 45. Okay, so what do we have here? This will be something like 18. Okay, that should be about 18, yes. So we have here 18, and then the less than symbol, and then the variable, and then the less than symbol, and this will be about 72, 27 plus 45. That looks like 72, okay? And will that be in the choices? Looks like that's A. All right, so this is our answer. Okay, so we shall choose A. All right, there. And will there be an asterisk there? Let's find out. Yes, okay, all right, there's the asterisk, okay. Okay, next, let's have number 21. Let's have number 21. Here's number 21. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. We have 47 and 29. So we have a formula, of course. We have difference, and then we shall follow the way to write the range, okay? It will be the difference, 47 minus 29. So that's 47 minus 29, and we have x. Sum is 47 plus 29. So let me put an open parenthesis there. 47 minus 29, and then we have something like 47 plus 29 on the other end, 47 plus 29. Okay, and then we shall get the difference, and the difference here is 18, and the sum is about 76. Okay, that's 47 plus 29, so that's 76. All right, this is our answer there. Okay, and we have it B. Okay, that should be over here. There. All right, now let's check if it's B. Yes. All right, so that's B. All right. Okay, let's continue with number 22. Last three numbers. So 22. Let's have number 22. Okay, here's number 22. There. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Solution. Our formula is difference, and here's the sum. Okay, we get the two numbers and get the difference. So we shall begin with 43 minus 27, and then put the symbols, and we have the sum. 27 plus 43, like that, okay? And this must be about, how much is that? That looks like 16, okay? 16. And the sum is about 70, okay? The sum is about 70, there. 27 plus 43, that should be about 70. 43 minus 27, that should be about 16. All right, so our answer is 16 to 70. All right, so we can see from the choices, this is our answer. Okay, we shall choose C. All right, here is C. 16 to 70. All right, and we can check and verify there. Okay, you can see the asterisk. All right, you can see the asterisk. All right. Okay, I can make it blink there. Okay, by all right, there. So that will be for number 22. Let's continue with number 23. All right, let's have number 23. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Okay, how do you get the range for the third side? We have a formula, of course. Sum and difference formula. We have the difference for the lower limit, and we have the sum for the upper limit. So we get the 2 and get the difference. 47 minus 42. Of course, you have to get the larger minus the smaller, okay? Always like that. And here's the sum. It's 47 plus 42. There. Okay, the difference here is just 5. And the sum is about 89. And so this is our answer. 5 to 89 is the possible length, okay? The possible range of the measure for the third side. And our answer is C, okay? We will select C over here, which matches our calculation. Okay, so let's see if the asterisk is there. Yes, okay, the asterisk is there. All right, and so that should be for our 23rd. We shall continue with the last number, 24. Okay, let's have the last number. Let's remove the asterisk. Let's move to 24. All right, here's number 24 and our last number. Okay, two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of possible measures for the third side. Okay, we have the sides 29 and 41, okay, 41. And so we have the formula. Okay, we have the difference, which is the larger minus the smaller, of course. So we will have 41 minus 29. And then we have the sum is, of course, 29 plus 41. 29 plus 41 there. Okay, let's have the difference. That should be about 12. Okay, that should be about 12. The difference is 12. And the sum is about 70. Okay, the sum is 70. 29 plus 41 is 70. Yes. All right, here's our final answer. 12 to 70. Okay, and that looks like letter A over here. Okay, and we can check and verify if the asterisk is there. Asterisk, is it there? Yes. All right, so that should be the right answer. And that's it for our practice exercises. I hope you were able to learn from the examples, and hopefully you can do your assignments and quizzes with this triangle inequality theorem. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you later.